Good day, everyone. Let's learn one of the properties of a well-written text, and that is language use. What is language use? Language use is one of the easiest indicators of a well-written text. It enables the writers to effectively communicate ideas without confusing the reader. One of the characteristics of an effective language are concise language, concrete language, common language, and precise and clear language. Concise language. Concise language, it means using the fewest words necessary. To do this, you should use short and simple sentences. Go straight to the point to communicate clearly and effectively without leaving out important details. For example, we collaborated together on a project. We better say that we collaborated on a project. The other alternative is to eat healthy food. We better say that the alternative is to eat healthy food. Another example, I will see you in the near future. Better say that I will see you. In letter writing, it is common to use attach herewith. Just write attach. So many words and sentences, as easy as we got. Concrete language. To use concrete words rather than abstract words, you must choose the right words that most express your meaning or specific words. In other words, concrete language are specific words, form sharp and clear meaning, and stand for what the reader easily perceives while using or applying the five senses, such as sight, smell, hearing, touch, and taste. Examples of a concrete language: spoon, table, velvet eye patch, nose ring, sinus mask, green, hat, and etc. For example, when you write, don't forget to mix in some concrete language. You need to use concrete language by naming specific people, places, or things. For example, instead of dog, we called it a golden retriever. Naming a specific action. Instead of he said, we say that he declared. Naming a specific emotion. Instead of she is a nice lady, we say that she is a cautious lady.
What makes the statement concrete? To be concrete is to be firm and changing based on our sentence site. A concrete sentence is a sentence that provides information that is clear and certain. Moreover, concrete sentences are based on evidence, therefore examples are generally included in them.
Abstract words refer to concepts, ideas, qualities, emotions, and processes that cannot be perceived directly through the five senses. They are thinkable and have a clear specific meaning. Example: include love, justice, freedom, and beauty. Concrete words refer to things that can be perceived directly through the five senses. They are thinkable and have clear, specific meaning. Example: include table 3, red, loud, and sweet. The key difference lies in thinkability and have potential. For example, and interpretations. Concrete words have a single clear meaning, while abstract words are open to subjective understanding.
Concrete words or specific words. Concrete words are choose engage in the five senses: see, hear, touch, smell, and taste. Specific words includes real names, times, places, and numbers. Concrete and specific words are more phrases and clear. Therefore, more interesting, these words are easily imagined and are less open to multiple. Common language. What is common language? A common language refers to a language that is used by people from different linguistic background to communicate with each other. It's often a language that is widely spoken and understood, and allowing people who do not share a native language to converse more easily. In many contexts, a common language can be lingua franca such as English, Spanish, or French, which serves as a bridge for communication between different groups and others. Context, it might be refers to shared set of terms or phrases used by a specific community, profession, or group, like technical jargon or slang.
The precise and clear language. So, precise and clear language meaning. Being precise in your language means choosing the most appropriate, most specific words so that your message is clear and there is less of a chance that your reader will misunderstand you. So, precise and clear language example. For example, we could make the sentence Tom is tall precise by specifying one person referred to by Tom, and also by defining is tall.
Capitalizing proper nouns. Capitalization is the practice of using capital letters in writing or printing. Proper nouns, keyword and titles, and beginnings of sentences are generally capitalized. You will also want to capitalize the letter I under all circumstances. Capitalizations and punctuations are the mechanics of writing. Using minor marks, punctuation marks. Punctuation is the use of spacing, conventional signs, and certain typographical devices as aids to the understanding and correct reading of written text, whether read silently or aloud. For example, period, question mark, exclamation point, comma, colon, semicolon, dash, hyphen, bracket, and braces, apostrophe, quoting mark, and ellipsis. If you want to make your writing easier to read and generally look more professional, you will know what each one is and how to use them.